how do I enhance the security of my Nuxt.js website? With Nuxt.js, we have the possibility of building static sites. Now, static sites are much safer than server-side rendered applications, for example, because there's no server. That means there's a smaller attack vector. With static sites, because we cache the API calls, because they're made at build time, they're then cached and we don't have to expose your API, for example. And these calls are saved in a static folder, which means we only have to go to this cached static folder to get those API calls. That not only enhances performance, but also it improves the offline support. And if you put that with a progressive web app, it just makes it super performant.